Commemorating the 60th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Japan and Jamaica, the Embassy of Japan in Jamaica hosted a mini concert titled Okinawa Songs with Reggae Joint Concert. The concert was hosted in mid-October on the lawns of the official residence of the Japanese ambassador in Kingston, Jamaica. Earlier this year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness lauded the long-standing relations, spotlighting the profound impact the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, has had on Jamaica's development since its inception. Panning our focus back to the concert, among those in attendance were the Ambassador of Canada to Jamaica and the Ambassador of India to Jamaica, among other members of state. The festivities showcased the unique culture of Japan, and it was an experience that symbolized how far both nations have come. These are the highlights of the Okinawa Songs with Reggae Joint mini concert, brought to you by PBCJ.
Good afternoon. All protocol observed, but I can see many people here from the diplomatic corps, and also we have President of the Senate now with his wife, beautiful wife, Rose. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming today, and welcome to this reception with a mini concert performed by the best Okinawa folk song musicians, Mr. Miyazawa and Utakata Project and Yui Sisters, and a great reggae musician, Yami Bolo from New York. Last night at Edonamande College, I said in my speech that my dream and our dream with Mr. Kawasaki, the head of JICA Jamaica office, and the Minister of Culture, Olivia Babsy Grange, finally came true because this Okinawa and reggae collaboration concert was about to be realized. Mr. Kawasaki, could you stand up? Mr. Kawasaki. So today, I should say that my dream came true last night. And I am enjoying the doubling of the dream into reality this afternoon. As you may know, Okinawa is a beautiful island, like Jamaica. And the people there love to sing and dance, like Jamaicans. Due to a warm and hot climate, Okinawan people in general are easygoing people, like Jamaicans. There are many similarities. That is why I have decided to get these people together and to get music together in Kingston. As an extension of these ideas, I am working on the idea of sister city relations between a city in Okinawa and a parish or a city of Jamaica. We already have a sister city relationship between Westmoreland Parish and Tottori Prefecture in Japan since 2016. And that relationship has been very active, especially in the areas of sports, particularly in fields and tracks. tracks and fields. Then, why shouldn't we have another sister city relationship initiated by music? Let's work on this. This year marks the 60th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Japan and Jamaica, and we are celebrating it with many cultural events this year. Today's concert, together with last night's concert, is one of the biggest events of the year. The final big event to celebrate the 60th anniversary of our JJ partnership is the Japan Festival at Hope Garden on December 7, Saturday. We try to do many interesting Japanese culture-oriented performances there. Save the dates for December 7 at Hope Garden. Ladies and gentlemen, it's again showtime. Enjoy the fantastic JJ concert. Thank you very much.
The island I was born on in Okinawa is to the south of Japan. It's a very small island.
でもその小さな島にたくさんの歌と音楽と芸能があります。
But that very small island has a lot of songs and dances and culture.
今回我々は CD ボックスにしまして、この沖縄の宝のものである民謡をですね、一つにまとめて、これを世界の人に届ける仕事をしております。
This box of songs from Okinawa is very important in Okinawa because it's an archive of our traditional songs from that island.
今回はこのジャマイカの地で昨日大きなコンサートを開かせてもらいました。ベトナムマンデー大学でコンサートをやらせてもらいました。
And yesterday at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts, we had a very huge concert where we performed some of these songs.
沖縄と そして日本とこのジャマイカの国がさらに近い関係になりますよう、今日は演奏頑張ってまいります。
In order to bring the cultures of both Jamaica and Okinawa closer together, we're going to give you a lovely performance today. Thank
よ
you.
ろしくお願いいたします。
Thank you.
僕の生まれた島のこれは横笛です。
This is a yokofue, a bamboo flute from my island in Okinawa.
今日は少し暑いですけども、横笛の音色で涼しくなったら嬉しいです。
I know it's very hot right now, but hopefully after I play this flute, it will become a little cooler.
We sat down with the performers to understand more about their choice not only to participate in the concert, but why they chose to pursue traditional Japanese music.
日本からやってまいりましたシンガーソングライターの宮沢です。沖縄のトラディショナルな音楽をジャマイカに伝えるために今回来ました。
Hello, my name is Kazufumi Miyazawa. I'm a singer and songwriter from Japan, and I'm in Jamaica now to introduce traditional Okinawan folk music to Jamaica.
This is an important time for Jamaica and Japan. We're celebrating the 60th year of diplomatic relations. Why did you choose to be a part of this endeavor?
ジャマイカとその沖縄っていうところ島なんですけども、とても似てるところが僕はあると思うんですね。僕30年前に3回ぐらいこっちに来たことがあって、すごくそれを感じたんですね。音楽を愛して、家族を愛して、お酒を楽しんで、食べ物を楽しんで、ダンスを楽しんでっていうすごく似てる感じがしたので、きっと沖縄の民謡もこっちへ持ってきて聴いてもらえばみんな楽しんでくれるんじゃないかなと思って今回やってきました。
So, of course, Jamaica and Okinawa are both small islands and have many similarities. For example, the music and or culture or food or dancing. And because of that connection, I decided to come to Jamaica again after a 30-year break. My first visit was 30 years ago. And at that time, when I visited Jamaica, I was able to see just how similar Okinawa and Jamaica are.
沖縄の、南東詩人という仕事をしております平田大地と言います。よろしくお願いいたします。はい。
My name is Daichi Hirata,
はい。
and I'm from Okinawa.
Why did the Yucatan World Tour set their sights on Jamaica?
今年はちょうど日本とそれからジャマイカの国が国交60周年ということで、以前から渥美大使をはじめですね、JICA の所長の川崎さんという、知り合いの方からぜひ沖縄の民謡とそして、このジャマイカのレゲエと、コラボできるような出会うようなそういう企画ができないかというのが、そもそもこの歌方ワールドツアーの、それが始まりです。まずここまでやってみますか。
So 2024 represents the 60th year of diplomatic relationship between Japan and Jamaica. And because of our relationship with Mr. Kawasaki, who is the president of JICA, and conversations with the ambassador Yasuhiro Atsumi, we decided it would be a great honor for us to start our world tour for the Utakata project in Okinawa, in Jamaica, because of that relationship that has been going on for 60 years.
Why do you have such a strong desire to pass on folk music in Japanese culture?
トラディショナルなものはだんだん子供たちがだんだんやる人が少なくなってくるんですね。どうしてもね、いろんなものが今はあるから、だけど僕はこの民謡の後世に残していきたいので、50年後100年後200年後の子供たちが古い歌をみんなで歌えるような状況を作りたいので、そこまでまずいこうか。
So nowadays, of course, for various reasons, the children of Japan and in Okinawa have so many other options. They don't generally learn or practice our folk music tradition. And so it is going to die out if someone doesn't make a conscious effort to pass on that music for the next 50 and 100 or 150.
How does the concert aid in the Jamaica-Japan diplomatic relationship?
My dream has come true by those concerts. I think Okinawa and Jamaica has a lot of similarities, and that's why we decided to make this happen. This concert by Okinawa folk song musicians and reggae musicians collaborated together, and I think we did this thing successfully by yesterday's concert and today's concert. And you know, we are doing a lot of cultural events between Jamaica and Japan because this year marks the 60th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Japan and Jamaica. And we are doing a lot of things. But this concert, yesterday's concert and today's concert, are the biggest events of the year to celebrate 60th years anniversary.
はいたいぐすよちゅうがなびら We are Ye Ye Sisters. I'm Maimi. I'm Kiyoka. I'm Haru. 聞いてください。イエイイエイ。はいやいやささってははははははいやってははははははいやってはいさいりさいゆいまるゆいゆいゆいゆいゆいゆいゆいまる真っ赤な真っ赤な赤花ギンギラギラな火は燃えるイェイイェイイェイイェイイェイイェイイェイまる僕らの島だゆいゆいまるここは沖縄イェイこれが沖縄イェイゆいゆいゆいまるイェイイェイイェイイェイイェイイェイゆいまるイェイイェイイェイイェイイェイイェイゆいまるってはいやいやささってははせーのイエイ Thank you!
I'm Raquel Robinson, and this has been the Okinawa Songs with Reggae Join concert. Thank you for watching.